Let's be real. The creator economy looks glamorous until you peek behind the curtain. Everyone's flexing about brand deals, affiliate links, and content strategy. But half of them are duct taping their businesses together with 27 spreadsheets, 5 Notion pages, and an emotional support Google Doc. The truth is, creators aren't just artists. They're small businesses disguised as people who talk to cameras. They've got invoices, analytics, deadlines, sponsors, community management, and burnout. Lots of burnout. And that mess, that's opportunity. Because behind every frazzled creator juggling chaos is a future SaaS founder thinking, wait, what if I just built something to fix that? That's where the real gold is. Micro-SaaS tools designed for influencers. Tiny, targeted apps that solve real workflow pain points and quietly print subscription revenue while everyone else chases virality. See, the creator economy is a gold mine of tiny problems. Over 200 million people now identify as creators, but only a small fraction actually make a full-time living. Why? Because while the tools for creating content exploded, the tools for managing that content didn't. Everyone wants to build the next TikTok, but nobody's fixing the fact that creators have no clue how much they made from last month's sponsorships. Most are managing brand deals in DMs, tracking payments in notes, and negotiating contracts over Instagram chat like it's still 2015. It's pure chaos, and every spreadsheet in that chaos is a potential product waiting to be born. Take this simplest example, links. The whole link in bio thing seems played out, right? We've got Linktree, beacons, later. It feels crowded. But look closer. Most creators outgrow those tools in about 5 minutes. They want analytics, dynamic links, smart recommendations, monetization layers, not just a static list of buttons that look like they were designed before the pandemic. The next generation of link tools won't be about aesthetics. They'll be about leverage. Imagine one that automatically prioritizes your top-performing links or syncs affiliate codes to track conversions without manual setup. Creators don't want pretty, they want profitable. And that's where a niche micro-SaaS slides right in. Build a link in bio tool just for fitness coaches, or musicians, or digital product sellers. The market isn't saturated, it's segmented. You're not fighting Linktree, you're carving out your own lane inside it. But if you want to see where creators really suffer, let's talk sponsorships, the blood pressure spike of influencer life. Somewhere out there, every creator has a file titled Sponsorships 2024 Final Real 1.xlsx. Inside it, 47 brands, 19 payment statuses, and a half-finished column called Deliverables. It's spreadsheet purgatory. Now imagine turning that into a clean sponsorship CRM, a single dashboard that tracks campaign deadlines, deliverables, drafts, payments, and renewals. Throw in integrations with Gmail, Stripe, and Drive, and suddenly you've replaced 3 tools and 5 anxiety attacks. Start it as a Notion template, validate it, then go full SaaS, because creators love paying for convenience, especially when it saves them from spreadsheet doom. Quick pause before we keep going. If this kind of stuff gets your gears turning chaos into cash flow, building lean SaaS tools that actually solve problems, hit that subscribe button. This channel's about building profitable software without Silicon Valley fluff. We don't do hype, we do reality. So go ahead, subscribe, and let's keep going. Now back to the fun part, content. Every creator's biggest pain is repurposing. They film a YouTube video, then manually chop it into shorts, pull quotes for X, maybe post one reel before giving up and blaming the algorithm. What if a SaaS handled all that grunt work? AI can already transcribe, cut, and caption, but most tools are made for marketing teams, not individual creators. Imagine one that's built specifically for YouTubers, or that automatically reformats long TikToks into Reels with proper dimensions and brand overlays. That's the magic button creators want. Make this video work everywhere. When your product saves people time, you're not just building convenience, you're building retention. Because a creator might cancel a $50 tool that makes them money, but they'll never cancel the one that gives them hours back. Speaking of time sinks, you know what phrase ruins more creator weeks than any other? Let's collab. It starts as fun and ends as 5 group chats, 6 Google Docs, and a shared drive filled with final.mp4. There's no simple way for small creators to manage collaborations. That's an opening. Imagine a lightweight platform that helps creators track who's doing what, when deliverables are due, and where the files live, without looking like an enterprise app. Creators don't hate productivity tools. They just hate tools that feel like work. So if your SaaS feels like a creative partner instead of a project manager, you win. Then there's analytics, everyone's favorite source of pain. Each platform gives you numbers, but none of them agree, and none answer the one question creators actually have. Am I growing or dying? They don't need a wall of graphs, they need clarity. A cross-platform analytics tool that consolidates all their performance data into something readable, or even something manual at first, where they upload screenshots and you give them insights, could be game-changing. Build version 1 with manual inputs, test if creators care, then automate it later. The key isn't big data, it's giving direction. Tell them what to do next, and they'll never leave you. And then we have monetization, the shiny topic everyone's obsessed with. Tools like Patreon, Gumroad, and Ko-fi dominate, but they're designed for scale, not personality. The future is smaller. Niche. A membership platform just for language tutors. A micro-donation tool made for live streamers. A subscription platform tailored to indie authors. You don't have to beat Patreon, you just have to make something that feels like home for a specific audience. Generic tools don't inspire loyalty. Personal ones do. What's even better? When you build tools for creators, your marketing builds itself. Your customers are your distribution. They'll talk about your app in their videos, post tutorials, share affiliate links, and unintentionally run your marketing campaign for you. That's why Micro-SaaS in the creator space can scale way faster than traditional B2B. Every time a creator says, "This tool changed my workflow," you just reached thousands of new potential users for free. And creators love being early adopters. They don't want to use what everyone else is using. They want to discover something before it blows up. So if your SaaS feels fresh, fun, and actually saves them time, you've hit the jackpot. They'll promote it without you even asking. The truth is, the creator economy isn't about virality or follower counts. It's about infrastructure. The people who build that infrastructure, the quiet SaaS founders behind the scenes, are the real winners. They're not chasing views. They're collecting recurring revenue from the people who are. They don't need fame. They just need to be useful. In a world where every creator is drowning in notifications, the person who builds the life raft doesn't need to shout. They just need to float. So whether you're a developer, a no-code tinkerer, or just someone who sees the patterns in chaos, start small. Fix one piece of the creator workflow. Watch how fast it grows. Because while everyone else is trying to be the next Mr. Beast, you could quietly build the software he pays to use.